Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a side leg lift variation. Sitting tall, clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Begin to alternate lifting one leg up, then out to the side and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, your core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding on. Lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, with your navel back towards your spine, resting when you need to. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, and on your exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a leg lift variation. Clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while toning through your lower abs. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite leg. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended, moving into a knee tuck variation. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Pause with both legs extended. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight. And on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Pausing and upright, maintain your arms and step your feet back to center. Adding a twist, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a reverse plank position, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Slowly release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, abdomen, chest, and neck. Release and return to center, moving into one more seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat this twist on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.